I tried to only English language. Speak on English. I comes to room in after eating lunch after lunch. So let's go from class at attend the class after comes to class. Hello guys, welcome to my another vlog and I tried to only English language. So watch to fully vlog and I start to only English vlog. Let's go. Okay. Fully English vlog. Okay. This. Only this, not all the vlog. Only this vlog. So try first speak on English. Speak le.
Hi, hello.
As this time is lunch time, so
Coming soon. Come back.
I go to lunch.
Going to.
So eat and lunch to
Going to.
go to Ali Masha. Eat, speak in English, please. Hoi. Speak in English. Any word. Any word. Only English. No Gujarati. This vlog only English. Okay. Yes, right. Speak in any words. Only for English.
Hi, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Did you let it end? That's why
Very,
I'm waiting.
very well. Very well. Very done.
Very thank you.
Very done.
I email lang okay na tambaro.
Chalo, let's go. Go to eating. So guys, this is the pig and it's sleeping to any space. Place. This is Sanjuba. So guys, I am just go to eating and go out.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful. Chalo, just eat and
Hello. Hi, how
guys,
are you?
I comes to room in after eating lunch after lunch and
Picking up.
we was.
Okay.
What do you do? Chinese na English. English में बोल. Only English. No Chinese, no Marathi. Only English. No Japanese. Speak in English. So I lunch to room and 2 p.m. to go to class, editing class. So I see you after 1 hour. So guys, this time of 2:30 p.m. and I go to class. This is a road of Surendranagar. This is the flower, yellow flower. I speak in Baba English. So, any query to comment section. Chalo, let's go from class at attend the class and after comes to class. Class means room. This is pig. Only English, spoken English. No, only speak. અલે બોલતો ગમે અંગ્રેજી કંઈક બોલતો હા speak the English. Text was Papa in word. This writes Papa. Okay, so let's go. I attend the class and come from my room. So let's go. Come to to class.
D, come to D.
To class and I eat to breakfast. Breakfast tea, parleji, and another katak batak, and another. So eat this breakfast. So guys, I just comes to room in after dinner,
Fast food.
and this played Ludo game. It's my daily routine. Play Ludo after dinner. In 1 hour.
Why? Fair why?
So guys, I am in just second room. It's Vichu on mobile. See on mobile. It's Chetan. He's sleeping. It's not seriously, but it's funny. No, only English. This is only English vlog. Okay. Just speak in English. Speak any word.
नहीं મને ના આવડતું.
No. I like English. So this is my English vlog is end of this time. So like, share and subscribe. I meet this next vlog. So watch and subscribe. Bye bye.
Thank you.